Welcome to part 2 of the Private SME demo. In this section, we'll show you how to add users to your private SME corporate account. To begin, navigate to the Add User tab on your admin portal. Here, you'll find 3 ways to add users to your account. Method 1. The first method is by entering the user's mobile phone number. Method 2. Alternatively, you can add a user by entering their email address. If the user already has a private account, they will receive an SMS and email invitation to transfer their account to your corporate account. If the user does not have a private account, they will receive an SMS and email with a link to download the Pryvate app from the relevant app store. Method 3. For adding multiple users at once, you can import a list from a CSV file. Ensure that phone numbers are formatted correctly, starting with the country code, followed by the phone number. That's it. With these 3 methods, you can easily expand your SME corporate account.